guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. It has been a long time again since my last update, my last tutorial. Things have been really busy and it's really hard to keep up with my content, but I still miss you guys so much, and I decided to do a quick tutorial today, which we're gonna build this cute little Winnie the Pooh, right? Super cute. I was gonna make the other one, the piglet too, but I guess I'm just gonna have to wait because after I finish this one, I'm gonna work on the other one. So if you wanna make both of them, stay tuned for the tutorial. All right, so before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell so you will get notification whenever I post new video. And if you're already my subscriber, thank you so much for all your love. Because of you, I'll continue making more tutorials. All right, so let's get started with this one today. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Check out some of my newest patterns on my Etsy store and also my Beacon. I'm gonna put the link in the descriptions. Alright, let's get started with the head. So this will be our connector. Alright, so we're gonna start with this piece right here. So this one, we're gonna go from here. So you see this little white line right here, so it should be placed on there. And then the next piece, we're gonna go from here. So this one, we place it onto the top, just like so. And then this one will be next one onto the top. Yep, looking good. And then this one, we're gonna put onto the top. Yeah. Oops, one more. Okay, all right, so let's build the back just to a balance. So this one will go to the back, and then right here it will be this one goes first. Yep. And then we're gonna add like the connector for the front. So this will be the connector over here. Yep, looking good. And then we're gonna add this to the top, right? And then this, looking good. And then turn to the back. So with this little connector right here, we're gonna add this piece onto the top, and then this back piece. Yep, so we already got the head. Let's build the bottom. This one right here, we're gonna add to the bottom right here. Pretty easy. The reason I didn't add this one because it might fall apart, so let's see. So let's close the top first. So this will be the top piece. So you can see, looking good. And then one more. All right, let's work on the side. So one for each side right here. We can also do this and then close on this end. And then we're gonna come back to this one side, and we're gonna close with this. Yeah, and then this one, we'll just slide it in here. Ooh, looking good. Yeah, so if you iron it perfectly, it should stay. If not, add a little glue right in the middle so it can stabilize this piece. All right, let's move on to the body. All right, let's get started with the body. And this is gonna be the connector for all the pieces. So I'm gonna go from here, this one first. I'm gonna leave 2 beads in the back. I'm gonna start going from here, adding this onto the top. And then it will be this one, the next. And then I'm gonna add this one right here first. Yep, looking good. And then adding this one onto the top, just like so. All right, so this one right here is gonna add to the back. Yep, and then we will have one more of this one onto the back. So everything else will go to the front. All right, so this one, oh, it got upside down. All right, so it's gonna be right here onto the top, and then it will be this one onto the top. All right, and then this one goes right here, and I'll leave that little piece at the end because I don't want that to fall apart. All right, so looking good, and let's close the top right here. This is easy. Oop, just like so. All right, and then adding this one from the bottom over here. All right, so let's work on the side pieces. So we only have a few more pieces. I already messed it up. Okay, so from here, this one goes onto the top. And then we're gonna do it on the other side as well. Keeping a balance, looking good. And then we're gonna add this piece right here on this side all the way in. All right, and then we're gonna add this onto the top. And then to the other side, also the same thing, goes all the way in. And this one over here. All right, as you can see, we have one more piece left. So this goes to the front, looking good. Let's bring the hat back right here. Look at this cutie. And then just slide it in. All right, so look at this little Winnie the Pooh, super cute to make, and you can make like a small tiny one. Feel free to add any glue just to stabilize the piece, otherwise it looks really good, I think. All right, if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.